Okay, let's graph the system of inequalities. This will be the first one, this will be the second one. Let's do the second one in a different color since it's inequalities and there's going to be two of them. Now the second one is already almost in sort of y equals mx plus b form, which is what we want to have it in. So I have for the second one y less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. So that'll tell me that this is the y-intercept that I'm going to start at, and negative 2 over 1 is the slope. So I'm going to go to the y-intercept of 4 right here, and then from 4, it's not cooperating, from 4 I'm going to go 2 steps down and 1 step to the right. So 1, 2 down and 1 to the right, 1, 2 down and 1 to the right, and I can keep doing that and draw my line, and since I have an equal sign, it's going to be a solid line. Now before I continue, it says y is less than blah 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 blah. If I'm looking at this, y is less than this border of a line. So if I'm doing my shading, I'm basically saying if this is my line, there's two regions. There's either stuff above it or stuff below it. I always again like standing at the y-intercept, and if I go up, y gets bigger. If I go down, y gets smaller, and this problem says y has to be less than or equal to, so I shade everything down here below the line. So all of these are part of my solution for the blue line, but that's only just one of the lines. I have to go analyze the red line as well. So I'm going to isolate the y here so I can have something similar to y equals mx plus b. That says, okay, move the 4. So I have 2y, and then I have x minus 4. And I'm going to divide everybody by 2. And that's going to give me y is less than or equal to a half x minus 2. So basically what I have is I have y, I have a half x minus 2 for my line. And notice the mouth of the inequality opens towards the a half x minus 2. So I didn't flip anything, I just took this and rewrote it to something I'm more used to. So now I have a y-intercept of negative 2 and a slope of 1/2. So I'm going to go to y equals negative 2 for my y-intercept, and then from there I'm going to go up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Or down 1, left 2. Down 1, left 2. So there's my line, and again, because there's an equal sign with it, it's going to be a solid line. Now again, I have to do my shading based on what it's saying. So this guy is saying, if I'm right here on my line, y has to be less than my line, the border. I like standing at the y-intercept. If I go up, the y's get bigger. If I go down, the y's get smaller. This says y is less than, so I should be shading everything below my line. So the solution for the red one is everything below the red line. Now notice where they overlap. My solution is ultimately where they overlap. That's where the solution is. And that happens to be right here. So if you're using MyMathLab and shading, you would click the bucket and shade right here. You would graph your first line, your second line, and then shade only the region that they have in common.